Hi, I am Anar Ataev, the STEAM and Design teacher here at Léman International School, Chengdu. Our STEAM program is unique because it connects learning across all subjects. Students don't just study concepts, they apply them in real-world challenges, whether it's coding, designing, or building. It's all creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. In primary, students learn through play and exploration, building, experimenting, and discovering. In secondary, we build on the foundation with more complex projects that involve design thinking, coding, and engineering. The approach grows with the students. STEAM Day is a celebration of creativity and innovation. It's a day for students to step away from regular lessons and dive into the challenges that spark imagination, teamwork, and design thinking. Well, there are various based on a year group. In primary, students are building shapes with sticks and Play-Doh, designing balloon towers and race rocket cars. In secondary, we have got coding challenges, hands-on activities, and a big finale, the Goldberg Machine Challenge, where students create chain reaction machine together. STEAM prepares students for the future by teaching them how to think, create, and collaborate. These are the skills that will help them succeed in any field in their futures.